and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this video kind of more vlog style, but we are going to be doing a bathroom organize with me, declutter, kind of a declutter and an organization video in one. I'm not really going to be cleaning because the bathroom's already clean, but I definitely need to organize it and to declutter. I am opening up all my drawers lately and even my medicine cabinet, and like stuff is like falling out. I'm just like shoving everything in there and it is ridiculous. I'm going to show you guys what all the drawers look like. I'm not going to touch my boyfriend's drawer. He gets one drawer out of the whole bathroom. Oh, to be a guy. But I have like all these drawers and I just got stuff just like jammed in everywhere and it's absolutely ridiculous at this point. So I went ahead at the Dollar Tree and I picked up some like organization bins, and hopefully that's going to help me. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take everything out, put it all on the counters, and kind of go like drawer by drawer maybe. I don't know. We'll see how I end up being able to do it. My bathroom's not that big, so I don't have a ton of counter space, so I'm just going to have to kind of like make it work. But I'm definitely hoping to clean it up in there because I've got all these drawers, and then plus I have like bins on top of my medicine cabinet and stuff, and it's just like, it's too much at this point. It's ridiculous. So I'm going to take you on in there and you can see what I'm talking about, you guys. So we're going to start with my vanity here. So those are just the containers that I picked up. A couple of them I had left over from my pantry. But those are the containers that I'm going to be hopefully using to do some organization. So I guess let's just start up here. So because, you know, I have this and like I have all these drawers and everything, but not enough for me apparently. So I need to have bins up here with stuff in them. And then like, wait until you guys see this. This is ridiculous. This is my medicine cabinet. Like, what a joke. What is this? Like, are you serious right now? No organization whatsoever. And then I have like all my creams and everything. And then in this thing, like, first of all, this thing is like broken, but I just have like random stuff, like just random crap in here. This does not need to be in here. More lotions there because apparently like this isn't big enough for all my lotions for my face. I need to just have them sitting out too. So if we open this drawer, I've got my toothbrush and my little guy's toothbrush and like just some more creams in it. Nothing is organized, you guys. Q-tips. In here, got like my deodorant and my hair stuff. Like, this is embarrassing, honestly, at this point. And down here, like look at this. Like, this stuff's just all falling over. Stuff's just laying in here, thrown in here. It's a damn joke. In here, cleaning supplies. At one time it was organized. Not anymore. This is my boyfriend's little drawer here. I'm not going to touch that on him. But down here, I have all of my curling irons, of which I use like 2. So, yeah. So, I guess without further ado, let's just get right into it and I'm going to start my organizing. Okay, so we are going to start by taking everything out of the drawers and out of my cabinets and just piling it all up on top of the countertop. And then I'm going to go ahead and just wipe down all of the cabinets, the inside of everything. It's been a while since I did that, so I just wanted to go ahead and get that all nice and clean, and then we'll worry about rearranging and putting everything back in its right spot. The one that's always in, one that's always in. I've been watering our thing alone. I'm the only one still in love. You are watching us fade away. So many times I have prayed on my own and sacrificed parts of myself, while you are busy feeding my lows. We shake, we break, we scream, we fight. Oh, why? So now I am finally going to start putting everything back, and you guys are going to see I'm going to go through about 1,000,000 different combinations. I'm not going to talk my way through everything because it will drive me crazy, because this took way longer than I thought it would. It took way longer than it honestly should have, but I just kept trying to rearrange everything, and I went through all the drawers so many times trying different combinations of things. I had a hard time giving stuff away, and typically I'm a pretty good purger, but I kept finding that I use almost everything that I had in all of these drawers, as crazy as that sounds, because I know how much product I have. But yeah, I use it all, so it was really hard for me to let go of some things, and therefore, it was really hard to organize everything because I didn't get rid of a lot, but everything needed to have a home, and I wanted to keep like items together. So for instance, I wanted to keep all the face masks together, all the hair products together, but I would have more hair products than would fit in one drawer, for example. So it was really, really annoying, but I finally, at the end, as you will see, figured it all out and have a place for everything now. It just took way longer than it should have.
The truth to find out and see. We lie, we run, we cry, we die. Oh, why? But I still want us to align. Oh, why? What happened with the best part of you? The one that's always in bloom. Don't wanna bite my tongue and let go. And after all we've been through, the highs are really high, but this time lows are more lower too. What happened with the best part of you? That one that's always in bloom.
So you guys might notice here that I ended up changing my shirt. This is still on the same day. I can't remember why I had to change my shirt. I think my little guy spilled something on me. But basically I had filmed the first part of this video while he was napping, and then he got up and whatever, we had the rest of our day, and then now I'm filming the rest of it later on after he's asleep for bedtime. So there was a little bit of a wardrobe change in there, but it was definitely on the same day.
Out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh. You will always be there. Oh, oh. Cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, I know, you will always be the.
So now I'm going through all of my extra little bins, starting out with my makeup that was on the top. And it was just amazes me at how much makeup I actually have, considering I don't really wear it that often. So yeah, I definitely have way more than I need, but makeup's one of those things that's just kind of fun to collect and try different things, right? But yeah, so I'm going to be going through all of those bins that I have extra now that I'm done with the cabinets, and then I will move on to the medicine cabinet at the end.
I know you will always be the one. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, I know you will always be the.
guys, this medicine cabinet has just been the bane of my existence, and there is just so much junk in here. There was so much stuff that I was actually able to get rid of because it was outdated or whatever. If you haven't gone through your medicine cabinet lately, do yourself a favor and go through it, because we had stuff in there that was like years old, years and years. We had stuff in there, I don't even know where it came from. Like, where is this from? It was ridiculous. So if you have not gone through your medicine cabinet, go ahead and get rid of some of that stuff, because I promise you, you won't use it.
And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling way down, all illusional. 'Cause I got the feeling like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close on an endless road. I'm levitating now. You're one of those lucid dreams. You're one of those lucid dreams. I walk within your maze. My head is dizzy like the purple haze.
You guys, so as you can see, we have a much sleeker appearance here. I'm going to go in and show you. Okay, so if we start up here, I ended up taking out all of my makeup and I just separated it. So I ended up putting all of my eyeshadows and eyeshadow palettes in this big one and everything else in here. Before, I had everything stacked in here and it was just like overflowing and it looked a mess. This way, at least when I have them up there, it's like level with the top of the boxes, so you can't really see what's in there and it doesn't look as messy. So all you see up there is just the boxes and you can't really see what's inside. It does not look as messy. And then I was amazed at how much room I ended up having in here. So yeah, before this was absolutely stuffed. I mean, it's still pretty full, but there's even just like a little bit of spare room there. And I just was able to kind of group everything together, and it's a lot more organized than it was. That's for sure. And then I just, I got rid of the bins that were in here, just put some extra toilet paper there and completely cleared off this bottom shelf, which is awesome. I'm very happy about that. So let's go ahead and close this up. And then you guys must have seen me like freaking out with these drawers and like redoing it 100 times because nothing made sense and I just have too much stuff. But I use everything, that's the thing. So here I kind of sorted it. So here's like toothbrush essentials, and then I've got like masks and like face cleaning stuff and a whole bunch of different masks, which yes, I use all of them. And then Q-tips there, and then I've got hidden back there is some extra toothbrush heads for this guy, which is my travel toothbrush. And then in this one, I have all of my face creams and body lotions, my sunless tanner, time of the month essentials, all that kind of stuff. And yes, oh, and here's my Jeffree Star lip scrub. Yes, I use all of this stuff. Different days you use different things. And then down here I have my hair stuff, so just hair accessories, my brushes, and then this is like any sort of deep conditioning sort of thing, any product that I put on my hair after I come out of the shower. Not really styling product necessarily, some of it is, but most of it is like spray and conditioner and that sort of thing. And then down here, look at how much cleaner that is. So back there, I use those two heating elements for coconut oil in the winter. I will like either put some in a cup and put it on top of that little cup heater thing and it'll warm it up. Same thing with the fondue thing. You just put a little bit of coconut oil in there and warm it up to put it on yourself after you get out of the shower in the winter. Super hydrating for your skin. My boyfriend's travel bag, and then I've got some cleaning supplies on this side. Yeah. And for the final. So this is all my curling irons. I got rid of a ton of curling irons that I don't use anymore. My hair extensions, that from when I was dark brown, so it's been a while. But yeah, and then I got these like fun little colors So just like extra hair stuff in here. So once again, overview, much cleaner. All right, you guys, so this is actually days and days and days later, and I'm in the middle of editing, and I realized that I forgot to film an outro to this video. So that's basically it. I got a lot of stuff done. I got everything organized the way that I wanted to, as much as I could, while keeping as much stuff as I did. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.